So our bread has cooled off, as you can see, and it's really nice and really soft. Let me show you. It's really soft and pretty, and that's it. That's how to make really easy bread.
আজকে আমরা এটা কি দিয়ে খাবো আম্মু?
Nutella, and today we're going to make bread buns, and it's really nice. As you can see, it's really soft and it's really nice, and you can make it really easily without an oven because we didn't use an oven today. And let's get into it.
আমার কাছে এটা ডোনাটের মতো আবার লাগে, তাই না আম্মু?
Yeah. So
Wow. Heavy taste, না আম্মু?
it's really nice.